Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the secretary pose. This is an interesting move because it can be turned into both a spin and a drop, and today I'm going to show you how to nail the entry. If you're new here, my name's Brendan. I'm a physio based in Australia, and on this channel we talk about all things aerial. For me, the most challenging thing about the secretary pose is the entrance, and to be honest, it wasn't until I decided that I wanted to make this tutorial and I started analysing the movement in detail that I actually started to get it. This is where my physio background has really helped me to understand silks a lot better. If you find these detailed tutorials helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Reach up to separate the silks and begin your hip key as normal. Your left knee lifts and bends in between the silks. More on that later. You're going to bring the right silk behind your back. I like to hold on to the tail end of the fabric until I'm well balanced. Straighten out both knees, press up with your hips and arch your back, and when you're ready, let go with your hands. Make sure your legs are scissoring together so you don't slide. To exit, hold on to the silks. Turn your shoulders to the left and bring your left leg between the silks. Allow them to untangle and come back to a climb. Now, to nail the entry, it's all in the arms. Once you've done your hip key, you're going to straighten your arms to give your legs space. As your knee comes through, pull up with your right arm and push away with your left to come into this archer position. This gives space for your foot to come through. You can then bring your right arm to the other side of the silk and sit into position. I'm a little bit clunky here while trying to do it slowly, but you can see from the back how the archer position creates space for your leg and your foot to come all the way through to the front of the silks. The biggest mistake I made when first starting out with this entry was keeping my arms bent the entire time. It didn't give me enough space and I would always get stuck. If you really can't get this entry but you still want to be able to do the secretary, you can get into it from a regular hip key. Hold onto the tail with your right hand, separate the poles with your left and bring your leg through. Climb up the pole and bring it behind your back. You can then push up into the pose. If this looks familiar, that's because I use this entry for my hip key combo spin. If you'd like to learn how to do this spin, click the video in the bottom right corner. I've been getting a lot of questions about my freestanding rig, so I'll be doing a video on that soon. If there's anything else you'd like to know, leave your questions down below so I can include them in that video. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.